Prajakta Borse with us. She's gonna do something exciting for us. So I guess let's start with that segment first, which she's been waiting to do. That segment. Yeah, for the mocktails. So let's start with that, and then we'll again continue the remaining part. All good? Everyone can give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Chalo, Prajakta, all over to you.
So, thank you, Deba.
You have to unmute.
Am I on mute? Okay. You
Just
need to
spotlight on.
unmute me, I
You're
think.
on mute, Prajakta.
Yeah. Am I audible now?
No.
I am not. Okay.
Yeah, little.
I am just loving Prajakta's setup. Oh my god, it's so professional. It's
Thank
looking
you so
like
much.
a Sanjeev Kapoor or like a cooking studio.
Oh my god, thank you so much. I hope I'm audible, but. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, alright. So first and most, let me introduce, because there are a lot many beautiful ladies that I can see after long. I'm so sorry for not joining for many of the sessions in between, because I was been keeping busy in this lockdown, kept me all the more busy in making more immunity boosters for all of you, because definitely now being a nutritionist, what I understand is now the need of the era is definitely the yummylicious food, but at the same time the new addiction should be that we need to consume something which is safe and healthy, which is yet yummylicious. So I'm very happy that I'm getting this opportunity to attend this VPWN virtual meet, and happy Friendship Day to all the beautiful ladies. Keep that glory on. And thank you, Rasika, for liking the setup. And it was always wonderful to have all of you. So let's start with this mini mocktail session. And being the founder of Revival NutriSpirit, which has completed 19 years this in 2020, definitely I need to have something to give away, right? So first and most, as Rasika already have told you all, so we have two mocktails, and these will be the citrus mocktails. All right, so the first one to start with, we have Pom Pineapple Mint Twist. All right, so in this, as you know the name, we have, I'll be showing you one ingredient. We have pomegranate, which is freshly peeled. Then we have pineapple. Now you can see the pineapple which I have sliced. So mocktail, and that is also for the party. So definitely it has to be, it should be feast to your eyes, isn't it? I mean, you should feel, as Rasika said, oh my god, I mean, I like the decor. So the moment you may have kids, you may have elderlies in your house, and they should feel like, wow, instead of going for any soda drinks or going for any kind of, beverages which has a lot of carbonated drinks, I mean, I would say there are a lot of higher carbon footprints. Rather, we need to go which is very economic, also helping ecosystem. So we are adding all the citrus fruits. Now pineapple is very high in bromelain, and it's very good for your skin and hair too. And also it is going to keep your immunity high. Alright, so we are going to add pineapple in it, we are going to add pomegranate. The secret ingredient, which is only and only kept secret for this close group, is malai. I am going to use coconut malai. So we also have ginger, a little of ginger to be added, because it has a lot of Ayurvedic property, and always remember it is an immunity booster. You can add it in a different way, and ginger has a lot of Ayurvedic properties to help your system, to help your digestive system also. We have brown sugar, or you can say organic sugar. I have used a coconut sugar over here. We have lime. I have sliced it and kept. I generally use pink salt in my kitchen. You will never find white salt. You will always find black salt or a pink salt, Himalayan salt in my kitchen. And I love to decor any kind of, a good mocktail. It's your creativity, and you can decor it the way you want it. You can garnish it the way you want it. Now, if you know the ingredients, I had mentioned about the infusion jar. So I have this infusion jar, if you can see. Okay, alright. And what I have done is, I'm going to open this up and show it to you. I have lime and mint. Now I have mint plant, I have lemongrass plant, and thanks to Kaumudi from our group for this, City Farmer, her brand is City Farmer, and she's been helping me to do a home gardening. She's really wonderful lady, and you can see really, even if I have any clients coming to me and if I serve them a tea, because I have my online classes as well as I've started with my personal clinic, they will always find some difference between the lemongrass which you get outside and which I have grown in my house, or even a mint for that reason. So thank you so much Kamudi for that. So I have taken a nariyal pani and I have infused lime and mint inside for at least 2 hours. So all all the goodness, all the nutrition of lime, I've just crushed it a bit, lime and even a mint, and I have infused it inside the coconut water. So it has all the goodness of lime, a little sour flavor of lime, and as well as the mint. And I'm going to use this for my mocktail. So my first mocktail goes very easy. I have this ice box. I'll be starting with it. I'm going to just take 1 or 2 ice cubes. It's optional. It's absolutely not compulsory. You can avoid ice. Then I'm going to add little of malai. This I have like blended it well. I'm going to pour little of malai in it.
Please, Reva, the setting is disturb.
Can you see it? Is it visible? I've added ice. Then I have added malai, the well blend malai in it. Okay, if you want, you can add more. It all depends upon how much you want to add. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of pomegranate. Sorry. So after this, I have few cubes of pineapple. So I will add in little bit of pineapple on this. So you can see the layers. I'll show you the layers also. The way it looks beautiful. So like I have added ice, then there is a blend malai, then there is pomegranate, and then there are pineapple cubes. Now what I have done is, because to save on the time, I have taken a little bit of pineapple and ginger and I have blended it well. Okay, so I have kept the juice ready. And as I said, I have this infused nariyal pani, lime and mint ready. So first I will pour this infused water very slowly in this jar, and then this thick well blend pineapple juice will go in till the rim. If it is required, I will add little bit of this organic sugar and stir it well. If you add sugar at the end of it, I'll add little pomegranate also, which is stuck, so it will give a finishing touch on top. So anyway, the sugar is going to get mixed in, melt in really well. You can stir it a little bit, not too much, to avoid mixing up of the layers. So just on top I will keep stirring it. And guess what? My drink is absolutely ready to serve. So I'm just going to put in 1 straw and my drink is completely ready to have it. And then you can decorate it with a slice of pineapple. So I'm just going to cut it a bit and just bless it. Same time, Can you see this? How fresh this mint looks? I'm just going to nicely place it on top of it. And then I love pomegranate, so I'm just going to add little more on top of it. Just keep adding it because I love fruits, so I'll show you the other side of it as well. See, this is how it looks. And I'm going to send you the pictures also, so you will see, like, you know, how you can decorate the dish. So this is my first mocktail ready, and if you have the ingredients which are there already in your mind that, you know, I want to make, see, generally I used to make pina colada. So you can make from the same ingredients, you can have so many mocktails made. So I have malai ready. Now what I'm going to serve my husband in the evening is only mocktails. So, you know, I'm going to make pina colada from the same ingredients and I can enjoy it, right? So without any soda, without any carbonated beverages, my mocktail is just ready to serve. I'm just going to keep it in the refrigerator. So we will go to our next drink. Just give me a moment to clear the table. So how did you find it? So first one was pomegranate pineapple mint twist. Wow, that's lovely. It's very easy. I mean, you just have to have a little bit of creativity, and I'm sure you all beautiful ladies are so creative that you can have your own drink ready. I'm waiting for the photos. Definitely you'll be sending me a different decoration, so I will be also learning a lot from you all. So the next one quickly that we have, I'll just keep these things aside. Okay. So the next one we have is lemongrass tangerine drink. Okay. Now you must be wondering, what is tangerine? Now tangerine need not be, you know, sometimes this tangerine fruits or maltas are so expensive. Nowadays they are getting it like 200 or 250 rupees a kg. Few people might think that, you know, we don't want to spend so much. You can always go for a lime, you can always go for an orange, you can go for any fruit which is high in beta carotene. We are talking about citrus fruits, so these are very high in vitamin A, vitamin C. I mean, it has a lot of beta carotene, because the beta carotene is a polyphenol which gives any fruit yellow or orange color. Alright, so we have this lemongrass tangerine. As I was talking about, thanks to Kaumudi again, I have this nice lemongrass lucius plant in my house, and I try to I have many plants in my house and I try to use them in the mocktails. Okay, so what I have done is, now I have sparkling water. I'll just speak about the ingredients. I have this sparkling water with me. Okay, and I have ordered it from Amazon. It's an Indian company called BOCA, Boca. Okay, so I have this Indian company from which I have ordered a sparkling water. It is as equally good as a fresh mineral water. Okay, and then I have this tangerine fruit that I have taken. Okay, and I have made a juice, but while making a juice I have added just this much amount of green chili to add a little zest to it. मतलब वर्क फ्रॉम होम करते करते थक गए हो और आंखें बंद हो रही है, and you want to just open up your eyes and start working, you know, so you want to have that kind of you know, zest. So definitely a dark green chili, a little, just a dash of it will add a lot of zest to it, and it will give a different flavor definitely. So I have made tangerine juice. What I have done is I have blended it really well with the chili, and then I have strained it a bit, and then a little of pulp I have added back to the, I have poured it back to my drink. Alright, so I don't want to throw everything, alright, because that also has a lot of fiber. So we nutritionists always keep telling you that, you know, you need to have whole fruits, but when it comes to party times, we definitely want to have some freshly made mocktails. Then we have this lemongrass hot infused water. So what I have done is I have taken plain water. I have boiled it really well with the coconut sugar and lemongrass. And can you see this lovely light yellow color of the lemongrass? Yeah, so I'm going to use this in my mocktail. You can also call it as a lemongrass iced tea made at home. Alright, I'm going to add black pepper, which is ground. Alright, and can you see this? I have made out of a pill of this tangerine fruit. So you just have to keep like sliding your knife and rotate it completely round all the corners of this tangerine, and you can get this nice rind, the peel, which you can use it in the drink. Okay, so you can have different glasses for this juice, and I've used this nice decorative items for decorating my glass, which obviously, I mean, we all are girls and has to be little fashionable. We need to be little, attention seekers. Which girl is not an attention seeker? I feel every girl is, and we want to look good on every decor, right? So you can take any of the glass. What we need to do is, I'm going to again use a little of ice. As I said, it also can be called as iced tea. So I'm just going to add ice. Little more if it is required. Then I'm going to use this sparkling water, which with a lot of care, I'm going to add it in the glass. Now I will add this lemongrass infused water. See, my iced tea is already ready. Let the even lemongrass go inside the glass, it's absolutely fine. I'm going to add a little of pepper now to add a little taste, and then add this juice. While making this juice, I have already added a chili and the organic sugar. Okay, so I'm not going to add extra. Pour it a bit.
So that's pineapple juice, right?
Sorry?
Pineapple one, right?
No. This is the orange tangerine juice. I have kept the pineapple glass down. I have made a juice of this fruit, tangerine fruit. Okay. So it's a tangerine fruit pulp. Okay. I have blended well with the green chili and organic sugar. Alright. And now to decorate it, it all depends upon you. Now I love to decorate it with this rind. So I can, because my glasses are small, depends upon few people like to take this basin jar. So, I'm just going to put it inside. Yeah, I've just inserted even the rind inside the glass, because this glass is very small, so you can decorate it on top. All depends upon how you want to decorate it. Alright, and I'm going to add a little of this lime. Just place it. And can you see my drink is already ready? So I just have to stir it before I drink it. So it could be a champagne glass or it could be a wine glass, and because you're not going for a cocktail, you can always go for a mocktail and decorate your glass to your choice. So I'm very happy to tell you about these two mocktails. Just to review, we have done, the first one was pomegranate and pineapple twist. Okay, so we have added malai, we have added pineapple, we have added pomegranate, and the secret ingredient was malai because I had not mentioned it. So if you have written down any kind of ingredients, please add. We have added nariyal pani and malai in it, and then the next one was lemongrass twist. So lemongrass tangerine twist. So definitely in this, what we have done is we have lemongrass infused water, which is like I have boiled the water, I've added lemongrass in it, I've added organic sugar, and then let it cool. Then what I have done is I have also used the sparkling water, which is a fresh mineral water, and I've used a tangerine juice with the green chili and the organic sugar. You just have to add very slowly every layer and sprinkle it with little bit of black pepper. If you want, you can also add little of pink salt on top of it. It's lovely to have with the pink salt and black pepper. A few drinks I like to have it without sugar, the way they are. So even if they are tangy, you should be able to have all the fruits. You should be able to enjoy the actual taste of the food also. Alright, so thank you so much BPWM. This is for today. We had a mini mocktail session. Myself Prajakta Borse Gupta. I'm a sports and clinical nutritionist and founder of Revival NutriSpirit. And we have fitness classes going in Villaparle East. We have yoga classes, personal as well as we have online classes. And I have my personal studio and the clinic in Villaparle East. And you can contact me on 9870 440098, or you can add me on my YouTube. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel Revival NutriSpirit. Thank you so much Rasika, thank you so much BPWN group for this mini mocktail session and the opportunity that you all have given me. To all the gorgeous ladies, have a lovely, beautiful evening ahead and a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Prajakta. It was awesome. I think all of us are going to try this.
Thank
You'll be
you.
giving
Thank
us
you,
the
Deba.
recipe. You'll put in the recipe in the group, right?
Yes,
Later?
I'm going to put the recipe, I'm going to put the pictures also so that they would know
That'll be nice.
the ingredients and everything. Alright, so don't worry. They can share it with their friends as well.
Very nice. So whoever makes that, please do tag her, or you all want to do any experiment
Yeah,
with
do
this
that, do that.
something silver. Do tag her in those posts.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you so much.
Thank you Deva.
And
Thank
also
you.
tag VPW and Instagram and Facebook.
Yes.
Of course.
So I will show
Let's say
you
you want to
the...
do the introduction about VPW and a lot of new things we are doing. Let's do that first.
Okay, cool. I don't mind. Okay, hi everyone. Firstly, thank you Prajakta. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. We all loved your session. Firstly, happy Friendships Day to everyone. I am Rasika Joshi Fene. I'm the founder of Villaparle Women's Network.